Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, I wanted to give you some information you'll need in advance before we begin creating the small triangles. Here I list the length of string that you will need. In the videos, I will be using the 4mm plastic faceted beads with 3 feet of monofilament. I have also created these with the size 8 seed beads, and that I use 2 feet of microfilament line. In the videos, as I said, I'll be using my plastic faceted beads, as you can see here. And I will be stringing them together with monofilament fishing line. I have also created a pyramid using seed beads. As you can see here, these designs are different from what we're using here, as I created this one for my daughter, but I wanted to show you that seed beads can be used, and with it I like to use microfilament fishing line, and I use 10-pound spider wire. Now on each of the patterns I have listed the number of colors you'll need to create one triangle. And you'll be making a total of 6 triangles, so you'll need to times these numbers by 6. Now for our 4 designs, the background is black, and then you'll need 4 complementary colors, 1 for each design, and then those complementary colors will also be used when we sew the triangles together. So if you go to my Pinterest account and look at the patterns, you'll be able to see how many you will need for each color, and you can pick out ahead of time your background color and then your 4 complementary colors to use as you follow along in creating this kaleidocycle. I hope to see you in the next video, where I will begin creating the first of the 4 small triangles.